Hi kids, welcome to Bugsby Toys. Today we're going to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. So kids, I will mix it up, and whichever way you're stuck on that part, that's what I will help you to solve. So if you're like this, if you're stuck on this part, if you see this, put it up, and if you have that, see the middle one, and you should take it there. And if you see this one, take that there. So, and then pull it down, and then you got it solved. And now let's see the next cube coming up. So kids, now what you see is we have a speed cube, and so what's special about, we can turn the corners. I will unsolve it, and then I'll solve it, so then I can help you. So what we're gonna do is do this, do that, and do that. So now we have this, we'll do this, and then we'll take this down, but if you take that down, this will be down, but we're not using this one, so we see these two. So what we'll do is, we'll take this one ahead, and then we should go back somewhere. If you see this one, see this? And then we should take this here and then find the way. So then we take this all the way up, and then you finished it. Now kids, I'll show you the harder way to solve it, okay? Now I'll mix it up. Here we go.
Kids, now I'm gonna solve it. Here we go, kids.
And what's the name of this cube is, this is a Rubik's Cube, and this is a speed cube. Kids, you know what is different and what's the same? What's the same is they both are cubes, and they have like the same color. So what's different about this is this one can flip the corners. This one doesn't, it just moves. So what's same is it can both move, but this can also move the corners. And also they both are the same size, and this might be a little bit wider. So then this is taller, and this is a little bit wider. Now let's have a look at a speed cube, and let's see how fast it goes. Now let's look at the speed of the Rubik's Cube. Make sure you like this video, kids, and comment down below in the notification if you like this video. Bye! Please give a thumbs up, 2,000 thumbs up in the video, and make sure you comment down below in the link, and bye!